Yeah.
I wonder what my life does for life.
Can I help you? Don't go too crazy on this one, Wei.
Statue represents a fighting style we will see on this island. The mixed martial arts style combines wrestling with striking. It can pose problems for conventional martial artists.
Welcome, gentlemen, to Zodiac Island. You all know the rules. Over the next few days, you will compete in a series of battles. Your strength, your skill, and your courage will all be tested. Your audience are the richest and most powerful men in all of Asia. Each has paid $1 million for the privilege of being here. They will wager far more on your performance. Do not disappoint them. You are the best of the best of the best.
This is insane.
No others could survive the challenges that my island will put before you. Even so, only one of you will emerge triumphant. Only one can be champion.
Mr. Shen, I am an admirer.
Thanks.
You helped out my uncle. He has a stall in the North Pond Night Market.
No problem.
No. I am in your debt. I hope that I'll be able to repay you one day. In the meantime, I wish you the very best luck. I know you will not need my help to defeat these fools.
So what's your story?
Carl Chu. You from the mainland?
Grew up in San Francisco.
Really? Hope you brushed up on your fighting, Yankee. This ain't no tournament for amateurs.
Hey, you fighting?
What's it look like, moron?
Hey, what's your problem?
I don't like stupid questions. Or stupid people. Or son on ye assholes. You score 3 out of 3. I'll kill you right now!
What's your rush?
Why wait for the starting gun?
Not happy to kill you in the ring, idiot. You're pathetic.
Wing Chun is particularly effective at close range.
Hey, name's Wei Shen.
Good luck, Wei Shen. Welcome to the qualifying round.
Qualify.
Get your bets in, gentlemen.
Your man is awful.
You want to double down? You sure? Let's make
I'll double my bet.
This is better than a cockfight any day!
You guys even practice?
How's your yacht?
227 feet long. Just launched it last month?
Ah, brother, I am so sorry. Mine is 232. Don't feel too much. I'm sure you're still better than
These fighters are awful!
God, I love the fight!
Bring it on!
How much is he paying you?
I'm no hero. You have no class.
I'm sorry. No thanks. I was just going to offer to double it. But if you're not getting paid...
The winner by fire and blood is Wei Shen.
Seriously, that's the best you can do.
Ah, karate. This school has a lineage that stretches back thousands of years.
Help! Help! My fingers are slipping! Hey!
Fonzie, the school of the tumbling fist. We shall see, gentlemen, whether this esoteric school can hold up against fierce competition.
Welcome to the cliff's edge. Last man standing will move on. And only the last man standing.
Bring it on!
This is going to be fun!
You gotta learn a new move!
Oh my, yes! Hurt him!
My ancestors are laughing at you.
You look good! Should be a good match.
That's it!
Oh, nice!
At least give him a show!
Not bad!
I like his muscles!
I step on bugs tougher than you. Try harder.
The victory goes to Wei Shen. Your next challenge is on the beach. Good luck, Wei Shen.
Kenpo, a Japanese import. But the true masters will tell you it originated here many thousands of years ago.
點啊，大佬？
To the beach? Have some tea, man. You're going to need it.
Nun Quan, the School of the Southern Fist. An appropriate style given our location.
You'd better drink this tea. You'll be screwed without this tea.
Thanks. What the?
Get him! Your tournament is finished, you piece of shit! How are you feeling, Shen? Take him out! Finish him!
What was in that tea? God damn you, fool!
想搞事啊，仆街！
The famous Jeet Kune Do. This is the school of the intercepting fist. Fast, furious, and in some ways immortal.
This is the beach fight. Our competitor appears to be having trouble with his balance on the sand. You're not ready for the likes of me. Wait till you see my style. Try that kung fu shit on me! I dare ya! How's your ground game, Shen?
Mahjong, you idiot. Die. Call me an idiot all you like. All the one losing.
Come on, make some more fun.
Fetch me some chocolate ice cream. With fun.
Train you for this shit, dude.
Go ahead. You think I can find a
You're a pig. You are always a pig.
Fight my way today.
What is it? You cheating back?
Come on, Wink, Bung. I got more for you. Never ends, does it?
Takes more than that to beat me!
Ain't gonna be no next time for you. Sayonara, Shen. Your winner, Mr. Wei Shen.
What happened to you? Poisoned, huh? Bastards tried that on me too. I wasn't dumb enough to drink it though. You tried, guys never learn. Not supposed to say this, but I think the flowers will help you out. My ama taught me about them years ago. Cure most poisons. Look for them in the rocks along the northern shoreline.
Thanks. Thank you. Come on, Wei. Get it together. Come on, damn it. Son of a bitch.
Going to the beach? Have some tea, man. You're going to need it.
What the? Where the hell?
Kung Fu is the favored style of Wei Shen. It features smooth flowing moves and quick counterpunches. Sanshu. Free fighting. Watch for their counter punches, which are often as damaging as their attacks.
In a battle royale, in the sacred temple of death. Let the battle begin! What's this?
Wait!
Ah, gentlemen, we have a fourth contestant. It would appear that Mr. Wei Shen has resisted intervention of some of our gamblers. Best of luck to you, Mr. Shen.
Take out! Nice move!
Very impressive, gentlemen. All of you are worthy. Unfortunately for you, my audience demands that we determine a single winner.
Fuck you, we're not fighting each other.
Yeah, no way!
Oh, I think you are. You see this ceiling? It will continue to drop whether you fight or not. You can stand together and die. It will be most amusing to watch. Or you can fight. When only one of you is left standing, the ceiling will stop.
Son of a bitch!
Asshole.
The roof is dropping!
Those spikes are real! Shit, brothers!
All right, let's do this.
Alright, well, let's agree. The winner kills that fucker.
Agreed.
Agreed. Agreed.
I got no choice! They're not carrying me out of here! Every man for himself!
for you!
How do you propose? Oh, shit!
Payback time!
Ah, slow!
You have it coming!
You are no match for me! You are a fool to fight me. Sorry, but I must kill you now.
What the hell is that?
I am Zhang, master of the dragons. You are no match for me.
Got a lot of dying to do.
You're in over your head, Shen. Your evil knows no bounds. If you were a student of mine, I'd disown you. Truly, you are an impressive specimen, Wei Shen. The best I have ever brought to my island.
I'm glad you're impressed. You can take your happiness with you to the grave.
Wait! You are proud, but you do not want to do that.
I think I do. Good men died in that temple because of you.
Your fans paid more than 10 million US dollars to watch you fight. I made twice that, overseeing their betting on your performance. And twice that again by betting you'd win the final battle. Kill me, and all that money will rot in a bank account forever. Become my partner, and I will share it with you. $25 million, Wei Shen. A fair price for swallowing your pride, wouldn't you say?